You look up at the night sky, and the moon is no longer where it should be. It's bigger, brighter, closer, and every second it grows fast enough to make your stomach drop. Within hours, tides explode upward, earthquakes ignite worldwide, and gravity begins tearing the planet apart. Because the moon is falling. The moment the moon's orbit decays, gravity reacts instantly. Tides surge upward, not in waves, but in walls of water lifting straight into the sky. Ships tilt vertically. Coastlines flood in seconds. But it's not just water. The ground itself starts moving. Earth stretches like clay under the moon's pull. Fault lines crack open everywhere at once. Magnitude 9 earthquakes hit Tokyo, Los Angeles, Istanbul simultaneously. Then volcanoes erupt. Dozens of them. Lava rivers carve through cities as ash clouds swallow the sun. And above it all, the moon, now twice its normal size, continues its fall. As it drops into the upper atmosphere, friction ignites its surface. The sky turns orange, then blood red. Heat peels chunks off the lunar crust, pieces the size of mountains, and they rain down like meteor strikes. One fragment hits the Pacific. The explosion vaporizes an area the size of Japan. The shockwave flattens Tokyo in seconds, then races across Asia. Seconds later, the Amazon, a wall of green fire spreading faster than anyone can run. In New York, a woman stands frozen on her balcony. The moon now covers half the sky. She can see craters glowing red where the surface is melting. The ground shakes so violently she can barely stand. Her phone is dead. The power is out. And there's nowhere left to run. Satellites burn up as they spiral downward. GPS fails worldwide. Car alarms scream across every city. Gravity itself feels wrong now. Vehicles slide across parking lots on their own. People feel their weight decreasing, lifting slightly as the moon's pull competes with Earth's. Skyscrapers lean at impossible angles. And then the oceans rise, not as waves, but as a global dome of water, reaching upward as if the planet itself is trying to touch the moon one last time. Then it happens. The moon collides with Earth at 15,000 kilometers per hour. The impact point vaporizes in a flash brighter than 1,000 suns. Everything within 2,000 kilometers, rock, water, cities, people, gone in a microsecond. The energy released equals 1 billion nuclear bombs detonating at once. The shockwave races around the planet faster than sound, a wall of fire and compressed air that shreds continents. Mountains crumble. Coastlines vanish. The crust itself melts. Within 10 minutes, Earth becomes a glowing sphere of molten rock. No cities, no oceans, no mountains. Just a burning world spinning in the darkness, debris spiraling outward to form rings that will last for millions of years. Here's the terrifying part. The only thing keeping the real moon from falling right now is momentum. It's moving sideways at 3,600 kilometers per hour, just fast enough to miss us as gravity pulls it down. That's it. That's the only thing between us and annihilation. Not luck, not design, just physics. If something disrupted that balance, one asteroid impact in the wrong place, one gravitational wobble, the countdown would start immediately. And we'd have hours, not years, to watch our oldest companion fill the sky and end everything.